Hello, welcome. This is literally a 1 minute update for today for the US because we really wanted to communicate some changes to the severe weather outlook. So there's a slight risk for today on April 23rd, and it goes all the way to southern Nebraska, Texas, spots of western Oklahoma and Kansas, and all the way to Nebraska. There's this marginal risk goes all the way to Detroit. So there's the tornado threat, a 5% added for Kansas, and a 2% in southwestern Texas as well. So be careful, those areas, especially in Kansas, the 5%, there's still wind in all the areas, including the southeast. So be careful, and hail as well in all the areas. So stay safe, scary strong severe storms are forecast over parts southern central plains today and overnight with large hail and damaging winds possible. So please be careful. There's still day 2 tomorrow. Nothing crazy, but it does show here if it loads. And so let's see. So a margin risk, a big margin risk, all the way from Texas to southeastern Wyoming. So be aware. Just a 2% tornado threat to Oklahoma, Texas, southern Kansas, a bigger wind threat in all the areas, and a hail threat as well. So be aware in those areas, but especially for today, day 1. So in the coming days, we will make some longer videos talking about next week, especially next Monday and next Tuesday, day 6 and day 7. But today we didn't have that much time. But let's see here because this Wi-Fi is so awful today. But here the GFS update today did show this massive trough coming in with a powerful jet and the potential for strong tornadoes on day 6 by the GFS model. So there's this big slight risk on day 6, goes all the way from Oklahoma to Wisconsin, and day 7 next Tuesday there's still, let's see if it works here. So I'm so sorry about this. There's still this 15% from Texas to Michigan for next Tuesday as well. So next Monday and Tuesday are important days to watch. So please be careful in those areas. And still there's this excessive rainfall for Wednesday today, and this big slight risk for Thursday tomorrow. The excessive rainfall and this marginal too. So be aware still on day 3 a marginal, day 4 2 areas of marginal excessive rainfall. So be careful in those areas. The storms, the severe weather, and also the rainfall. There's here just to see if the HUR shows any special things. So does show those storms firing in West Texas, pop the severe ones, and even a thing or two in Mexico shows some scary storms the southeast, and later on in the evening, late afternoon, those storms in Kansas, especially southwest and western Kansas, the worst storms. So please be careful in those areas. And there's still some good capes, especially in Texas and more spots of the plains. So stay safe. We will